Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Airwallex. Review My Usage Experience. Airwallex Review My Usage Experience offers international business payment solutions. It's primarily aimed at businesses of all sizes that need to make and receive payments across borders. Key features include multi-currency accounts, international transfers, and virtual cards. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Airwallex positions itself as a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional banks for international transactions. They highlight ease of use, transparent pricing, no hidden fees are advertised, and competitive exchange rates. Their website states they use a robust and secure platform. Availability is global, but specific features might vary by region. Check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Airwallex. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward, requiring only basic business information and verification documents. I was up and running within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays account balances, transaction history, and upcoming payments. I specifically used Airwallex to pay a supplier in Europe and receive payments from clients in Australia. The transfers were processed quickly, typically within 1 to 2 business days, and the exchange rates were indeed competitive compared to my previous bank. I was really impressed by how quickly I could set up virtual cards for online purchases. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything through the website was slightly inconvenient at times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Airwallex. It significantly streamlined my international payment processes and saved me money compared to my previous solutions. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of speed and efficiency. That's my overview of Airwallex Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.